Welcome, guys. So, guys, we are reading the lesson Colors of Rainbow. Colors of Rainbow. We have already completed one paragraph. So, let we start again. The rain had just stopped. I was looking out of the window. I was looking out of the window. Occasionally, a drop of water fell from the awning of the window. The clouds had cleared. The clouds had cleared. Uh, the sun had also come out. When the sun shines immediately after rain, it looks very pleasant. I was watching the beauties of nature. I was watching the beauties of nature, lost in thought. Just outside the window were some chili plants. They had grown quite tall and were spotting red chilies. Drops of water were dripping, sliding down the plants. All my attention was centered on the raindrops. A light breeze was blowing outside. I wrapped the bedsheet around me tightly while sitting on the cot. The kids were at play, going out and coming in. They were making a lot of noise, but I was more or less oblivious to it. The chili plants were dancing. Chili plants were dancing in the breeze. In the breeze. थोड़ा मुझे बड़ी पास आगे से आई. The in the breeze, and what drops were falling from them. Small pecks of clouds were moving to and fro in the sky. Sometimes they covered the sun and it becomes cloudy, and sometimes the sun come out. Do you guys हमने कल पढ़ा था? Okay? So let's start from here. Let's start from here. Papaji. Papaji, understand? See. See the swimming of Gudda Gudi. Mani was saying, clinging to me. Where it is, daughter? I asked. Daughter, my daughter tells me, Papa, see the swing of Gudda Gudi. Gudda Gudi का झूला देखो. Mani was saying, clinging to me. मुन्नी मुझसे कह रही है, where is it? मैंने कहा कहाँ है? मैंने कहा where is the daughter? I asked her. मैंने कहा they are up in the sky. daughter कह रही है वो देखो ऊपर आसमान में, ऊपर multi color. multi color means जिसके बहुत सारे कलर होते हैं. That is called multi color. Understand? Replied Munni. मुन्नी कहा वो देखो आसमान में मल्टी कलर जिसके बहुत सारे रंग हैं. Understand? Replied Munni. Replied Munni. Is that the singing of Gudda Gudi? I asked her. मैंने कहा वो गुड्डा गुडी वो singing है गुड्डा गुडी का. I asked her. She shot back with a touch of annoyance. Then whose is it? If not yours. थोड़ी नाराज हुई और मुझे कहा अगर उनका नहीं तो फिर किसका है? Who told you? आपको किसने कहा? Grandpa told us. दादी माँ ने हमें कहा. दादी माँ ने हमें I see. Then it must be so. तब ये वही हो सकता है. I said, looking at the window. मैंने खिड़की की तरफ देखा. In the sky. पापा जी, I too want a swing. पापा जी, मुझे भी swing चाहिए. मुझे भी झूला चाहिए. You can have this man. I tried to put her off. देखा चल ये आपका ही है. मैंने बेटी से कहा चल ये वाला आपका ही है. मैंने उसको खामोश कराने की कोशिश की. This does not help. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ. Why should I take something that is not mine? ये वहीं पर कोर ने हो ये गई जो वहाँ दिख रहा है आसान, चलो ये आपका ही है, शायद वो इसे खामोश हो जाए। मैं इम क्या वोनस और कोर इम वोनस व्हाई शुड आई टेक समथिंग दैट इज़ नॉट माइन। मैं ऐसा चीज़ क्यों लूँ जो मेरा है ही नहीं, मैं ऐसा चीज़ क्यों लूँ या जो किसी और का है, या जो किसी I began wondering how wise the little one was. मैं थोड़ा हैरान हुआ How wise the little one was. How wise the little one was. ये छोटे बच्चे कितने चालाक होते हैं। Muni kept talking of different things thereafter. वो बातें करती रही मुख्तलिफ चीज़ों के बारे में। But I could not pay attention to all that. लेकिन मैंने उसकी तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया। I was lost in my own musings. मैं अपने बस मैं खोया रहा अपनी मसरूफियात में, अंडरस्टैंड। सो गाइस ये आज कंप्लीट हो गया यहाँ तक, तो ये 7 मिनट का वीडियो बन गया, इससे बड़ा नहीं बना सकते, तो इंशाल्लाह कल पढ़ेंगे हम और। हाँ, तो आपका काम क्या है, आप सिर्फ इसको ना घर में पढ़ा करो, घर में। ओके अच्छा चलो फिर यहाँ से देख लो। पापा जी सी पापा जी सी पापा जी सी द स्विंग ऑफ द गुडा गुडी। Muni was saying, challenging to me, where is it? Daughter, I asked. They are up in the sky, multicolored, replied Muni. Is that the swimming of Guda Gudi? I asked. She shot back with a touch of annoyance. Then, whose it is, if not yours? Who told you? Grandpa told us. I see. Then it must be so. I said, looking at the rainbow in the sky, Papaji, I too want a swing. You can have this one. I tried to put her off. ये मतलब मैंने उसको खामोश करने की कोशिश की, मैंने उसको चुप कराने की कोशिश की। This does not help. लेकिन इससे हमारी मदद नहीं हुआ। Why should I take something that is not mine? I began wondering how wise the little one was. Muni kept taking at different things rather thereafter, but I could not pay attention to all that. I was lost in my own musings. Okay guys, wish you all the